Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning off shorts on YouTube. So if you don't like shorts or you want to basically turn a short video into a normal long form video with like the player, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So basically there's an extension that is on the Google Chrome Web Store that I do use actually. It has about 200,000 users. It's called the YouTube Shorts block. So play YouTube Shorts videos as if they were a normal video. So much better for desktop browsing of YouTube, I would say. And it will basically take the short video and make it into a long form format. You can see all the comments under the video. It looks more normal, basically. So it doesn't disable or remove shorts. It just changes the video player in which shorts are displayed in. I will have a link to this in the description of my video. And if you open up the little extension icon at the top right, you can see YouTube short block list. Play the YouTube short video as if it were a normal video. And you can see it's toggled to the right, which means it's turned on. There's really no customization for settings here. It's a very straightforward extension. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.